Good morning once again, everybody, on this wonderful Sunday, 22nd of March 2026. Although in other places in the world people are not as fortunate as us, and we think of them at this time. Right, I'm going to now explain the second thing that helped me to learn to draw, and that is to draw blind. And that doesn't mean you need a blindfold, as you saw the earlier little video. But what it involves is take a reference photograph, put it down next to your paper, and I suggest you use cheap paper for this, because it's a lot of them you're going to toss, I can guarantee you. And you look at the reference photo, get a starting point, put your pen, pencil, whatever you're using down on the page, and don't look at the page again. Just look at the reference photo and draw. Don't ever lift your pen, pencil. You keep it down on the page the whole time, and you just draw. And you draw while you are looking at the reference photo. So what this does is it teaches you hand-eye coordination, number one. Number two, it teaches you to observe closely, and it also just helps you to release that right brain a bit more, because your left brain is not going to like this at all, so it's going to push it straight across to your right brain and say, you handle this, I'm not interested. And you will find some amazing results when you do this, and I'm going to show you a few examples that have been done, and it's quite amazing what actually comes out of it at the end of the day. So let's have a look. Right, so you have three examples there, and you might think, yo, that looks terrible, and it probably will for a while, but believe it or not, you'll actually get to have something that looks reasonably good after a while. And as I said before in previous videos, all these things require practice. You cannot expect to learn in 2 or 3 days. You need to draw until you can't draw anymore, and then still draw some more. So it sounds crazy, but it's all about practice, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Okay, so that's what I'm finishing off on today, and I will show you the next one shortly. I think there's 2 or 3 more to go, I'm not sure. I'll just double check that, but yes, I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.